Hey everyone, we're going to use our double angle formula and express cosine of 2 theta as a function of x, given that our x is 2 tan of theta. So the goal that we're doing is we're trying to write everything we can in terms of 2 tan of theta so we can substitute it with the x. Now we know tan of theta is sine divided by cosine. We also know that cosine of 2 theta has 3 different formulas. Since our tan is sine and cosine, I'm going to go ahead and try to use this first one. So I'm going to write a cosine of 2 theta equals cosine squared of theta minus sine squared of theta. Now, we've got to get 2 tan of theta out of all this. So we're going to build. It's almost like working backwards when you're doing identities. So what I'm going to do is divide this by 1. If I divide this by 1, my Pythagorean identity is 1 equals sine squared plus cosine squared. So I can write this as cosine squared of theta minus sine squared of theta divided by cosine, or just put sine first. Oh, let's go and put cosine first. Cosine squared of theta plus sine squared of theta. Now, to get this 2, we want 2 tan of theta. Just keep that in mind. So what I'm going to do is divide my numerator and my denominator by cosine squared of theta. So I'm going to take my numerator, divide everything by cosine squared. Same thing with your denominator. You're going to have cosine squared Okay, so you see how we keep building on it. We keep adding stuff to it. So now we're going to have 1 minus tan squared. So 1 minus tan squared of theta. And then in the denominator, we're going to get 1 plus tan squared of theta. Now the next problem is we don't have a 2. So to do that, what we're going to do is multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4. And I'll show you what I mean when we do that. So let's do that. If you multiply this by 4, we're going to get 4 minus 4 tan squared of theta divided by 4 plus 4 tan squared of theta. This can be written as 4 minus 2 tan of theta squared. So do you see where I got my 2 tan of theta? That's why I multiplied numerator and denominator by 4. And the denominator is 4 plus 2 tan theta squared. Now I have no more. This is x, and this is x. So basically your final answer is going to be 4 minus x squared, and the denominator is 4 plus x squared. And we did what we were supposed to do. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.